Minister wa urimi Peter Munya ni atugeretie mawatho meru ma macani maria mekuguna arimi na njira nene kuona riu matiricokaga kuhatiririka kimuhuko hoka ni kwamukira marihi ma magetha mao.
Continue engaging in agriculture. We have to do reforms that support the earnings so that they earn enough money to keep growing food to support the country. So food security can never be secure, we can never be sustainable as long as the most important stakeholder, the farmer, is not taken care of.
Akiruguria mihang'o ya gukuruhania muingi hari mitaratara ya gutabania ithurano cia arugamiriri na memba a bodi tiganite cia macani guku bururi-ini, Munya ni augite mihang'o eno ikuoya ihinda ria thiku 14 mbere ya mawoni maya macabithitio ngathiti-ini ya thirikari wona marikirira.
So we have also put in tentative timelines on what needs to be done to prepare for those elections. And we will release to you, we will give you the indicative days when what is supposed to happen within the calendar before the countdown to the elections that will take place under the new law.
Kuringana na watho uyu mweru, ithurano cia arugamiriri a ithii cia arimi anini ya macani rungu rwa ruhonge rwa KTDA iritabanagio thutha wa ihinda ria miaka 5 na ti uria iratabanagio thutha wa miaka 10. Munya ni athiete na mbere na kuga wona matabania ithurano ici maritwa ma memba a kamiti iria guthurwo ya andu matakiritie 5 ni magacabithio ngathiti-ini ya thirikari wona mihang'o eno yatirihwo.
The new law now allows other management agents to register themselves and come on board. There is no requirement that it's only KTDA that can run the factories. It is the farmers in their own AGM who will be deciding after every 5 years.
Munya ni ugete hau kabere kurari na urugamiriri muru ruhonge-ini rwa macani uri uracungagiriria urimi uyu guthie thi na gikiro kinene kuri arimi aya mataragunikaga kuona thithino yao iroragira thi.
We are going to gazette a committee. Committee is already proposed in the regulations that will consist of an elections committee that will consist of the county commissioner who will be the chair, and the county CEC member in charge of agriculture who will be the vice chair, and then there will be representatives, and then there will be the director of agriculture in the county who will also sit in the committee, and then there will be 2 representatives from the Ministry of Agriculture. There will be a representative of AFA or the regulator. In the law, of course, it will be the team board, but for the interim, because the team board is not there, it is the team directorate of AFA that will also have a representative in that elections committee.
Watho uyu ona kuri uguo ndunamukirwo na gikeno ni ruhonge rwa macani rwa KTDA guku bururi-ini.